too many toys. Little Prince Charlie had many toys, but he never shared them. One day, a mysterious toy maker came to the palace. The prince liked his toys. He promised the toy maker immense wealth if he made a new toy for him every day. The toy maker kept a condition. You will have to play with each toy every day. The prince happily agreed to the condition. Every day, the prince received a new toy to play with. Each toy was better than the previous one. The little prince was happy. The number of toys kept on increasing. The little prince could hardly sleep as he had to play with each toy. After a few weeks, the prince played with the toys even while talking, eating, and bathing. Still, the toys were angry as the time spent with each was decreasing. One morning, the prince saw some kids playing with stones. He got an idea. He cheerfully went out and shared his toys with them. After playing, the prince let them take their favorite toys. From then on, he invited more and more kids to the palace to share his toys. The palace garden became the best playroom of the kingdom. Moral of the story: sharing with others gives the ultimate happiness.